are you doing, everyone? This is Uncle Frank again, and today we're learning how to draw our pale Mugman. Unlike Cuphead, which is drawn with the help of a circle, Mugman is going to be drawn with an oval. Like this, a big one at the top of the page. And if you're new here, or if you have been with us for some time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave us a like, because that's gonna be very useful for us. It makes the channel grow and it helps YouTube understand that people like the content. Okay, just refining it a little. And then I'm going to make a vertical line here, just to indicate where he's gonna be looking. And then I mark a point just above the middle of the oval, here, around here. So you have basically the shape for Mugman's hat. So I mark the middle of the remaining space. And then I'm going to do the, I should be doing it later, but I'm gonna do it now. The nose is gonna be around here. It's a big horizontal oval, like this. Then I'm gonna draw this line to show me the direction of his movement, of his pose. Like this. Then I'm gonna draw two circles, a smaller one for the upper body, and a bigger one for the lower body. With a few lines, then I start drawing his shorts, like this. Ovals again here. And his legs are gonna be very, very short, like this. The other one is gonna look a little like a pipe, a little curved to the outside. We don't have to draw his knee, he doesn't have one. And then two ovals at the end of his legs. Alright, now I'm gonna make a half circle, because that's gonna be his shoe. Very simple bottom. And then for the other one, just to make sure I have an equivalent size, I'm going to measure like this. Okay, so they are roughly the same size. Very well then. So this is something I usually do when a character has the hands on his waist. I'm just going to draw circles to show where his hands are gonna be, and then I'm gonna connect the hands to the rest of the body with a couple of lines to show the arms, like this. So just connecting the hand to the shoulder. I'm gonna do the same to the other side, coming from here, connecting to the hand. Right, so I'm just erasing a few excess lines so I don't get mixed up in the end. Just like what I did to the shoes, I'm gonna make an oval to connect his arm to his gloves, to his hands. So I'm gonna follow the the shape of the circle up to here. And then I'm going to sketch the fingers. It's gonna be only 3 showing, like this, like 3 sausages. Alright. For the other side, we know that the hand is gonna be, half of it's gonna be hidden. So just a curved line and a couple of fingers here. Now working on the face, I'm just gonna get that line I had made for the middle of the face, the one in which I placed the nose. And then I'm going to draw an oval from that line up to the end of the head. The other one's going to be a little narrower, like this one. Okay. And then from here I'm going to place the eyebrows. It's gonna be a curved line above the eyes, just following the shape of the eye. The other side's gonna be the same. So his cheek is just gonna be a letter C overlapping his eye. The mouth is gonna go under his nose, and then it will just follow the shape of his head. His tongue is just gonna be like a top of a heart. His eyes are gonna look like a black Pac-Man, like this. And then I finally make the straw, which is just a slightly curved line. It's not gonna bend like cup heads. Now just to fix the position of the body, I'm going to refine his waist, like this, and draw the shape for his shorts. So we have the sketch for Mugman. Let me use the marker to reinforce the lines now. Now I'm gonna take care of all the black areas. Now I'm gonna use colored pencils for this drawing, but you can use crayons, felt tip pens, paints, whatever you like or you feel most comfortable with. Here Mugman is ready to roll the dice again. Thank you very much for being with me up to this point. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.